about the cyclone.
Fine. So the depression over east central and adjoining southwest Arabian Sea and Lakshadweep area, it is moved northeastwards with a speed of about 15 km per hour in last 6 hours. It is intensified into a deep depression and lay towards, that is centered around 11:30 hours IST today on 10th June 2019 near latitude 12.5 degree north and longitude 70.9 degree east over east central and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea and Lakshadweep area. Basically, it is 250 km northwestward from Amini Devi, Lakshadweep, and 760 km southwest of Mumbai, that is Maharashtra, and 930 km from southeast of Veeraval, that is a Gujarat state. It is very likely to intensify further into a cyclonic storm during next 24 hours and into a severe cyclonic storm subsequently in further 24 hours. It is likely to move northwestwards during next 72 hours. If we concentrate on the Goa region, the effect of this depression and after becoming a cyclonic circulation, basically on 10th June, the squally wind speed of reaching 50 to 60 km per hour, gusting to 70 km per hour, very likely to prevail over east central and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea, and over Goa coast it will be 35 to 45 km per hour, gusting to 55 kilometers, and very likely to prevail over this region for 12 hours. Basically, its movement is from south. So, South Goa is mainly going to be affected, and then frequently North Goa will be going to affected. Basically, this cyclone is just parallel to Goa coast. It is not going to strike on Goa, but because it's a parallel to Goa coast, the wind speed will be very high and the clouding will be much more and thundering will be very much intensified. That's why we have given the warning for the severe weather rainfall for next 24 hours to the South Goa as well as to the North Goa.
It will rain very heavily